This is my week 3 assignment, cleaning up a messy code. So this code's meant to calculate your overtime pay. So first I'll get rid of these loose numbers. So regular time limit equals 40, and then overtime rate equals 1.5. So now that we can use these instead of the numbers, we'll rewrite this function with better naming and get rid of the H and the R and all that. So define calculate total pay. So we'll change H. We'll actually do total hours worked. Make a capital W. That's how I like to name things, so it's all consistent. Then the R will get changed to hourly rate. I hate how it's just suggesting everything. Alright, so now we need to check if the hours worked eclipses the overtime limit, or the regular hours limit. If it is greater than the regular time limit, then we go bang, bang. Oh, we did it twice. Bang, bang. Then we'll take our regular pay. Or no, our hourly rate. No, regular pay is what we have first. Regular pay equals 40, or regular time limit. Limit times their hourly rate. Actually, I'm going to change that to hourly wage. I think wage fits better. Hourly wage. Alright. Then next we get the overtime hours by subtracting the total hours minus the regular time limit. Total underscore hours worked, capital W, minus the regular time limit. So it's just taking the total hours worked minus 40, and then whatever's left over will be this overtime pay variable. Overtime pay equals overtime hours times hourly wage times overtime rate. So it times is the wage times 1.5, and then times is that by how many hours they worked of overtime. Then we shall return regular pay plus the plus the overtime pay. And then I don't need an else, I think. And then after that, we'll even return total hours worked times hourly wage. This is if it does not run through any of this. So if there's no overtime worked, it'll just get this right here. Let me get rid of this old code now. So we'll make our return regular pay final total weekly pay equals calculate total pay, and then we'll put it in example total underscore pay, and we'll do, I don't want to do 45 and 10, we'll do they worked 47 hours and they make $20 an hour. Alright, and then I shall print, I'm going to print to test, print, oh, I need an F, your total pay for the week is, I don't need the money sign down there, final total weekly pay, PY. Your total pay for the week is 1,010. So what do we have? We have 47 and 20, so let me just do some math on my phone. Would have been 40 times 20, 800, and then it would be 25 times 7, 175. Maybe I did that wrong. Yeah, it should be 30 times 7, 210. Yep, so I got it right. All right, and that's it for my assignment for this week. Thank you.